Because versus because of. The basic difference between these two words is because is a conjunction word and because of is a preposition word. Since because is a conjunction word, it is used to connect two complete sentences. Whereas because of is a preposition word which is used with a noun or a pronoun or a verb with ing form which is called a gerund. Let us see some examples. He went there because she called him. See, in this sentence there are two sentences. One is he went there and another sentence is she called him. These two sentences are considered as complete sentences. It's because these two sentences have subject and verb and both are giving meaning. If a sentence has subject and verb, it will give meaning and it will be considered as a complete sentence. So, in this way, these two sentences are two complete sentences and we have used because to connect these two sentences. Let us use because of in this sentence. He went there because of her. See, because and because of both are used for reason. See, in second example, he went there is the only one complete sentence and we have used her pronoun with because of. Next example, we cancelled our trip because it rained. We cancelled our trip is one sentence, it rained is another sentence. We have used because to connect these two sentences. Next example, we cancelled our trip because of the rain. In this sentence, rain is a noun. So we have used the rain noun with because of. Next example, I can't play well because I have a headache. See, I can't play well is one sentence, I have a headache is another sentence. Because connects these two sentences. Next example, I can't play well because of having a headache. In this sentence, having is a gerund, verb with ing form. Have is a verb and have plus ing will become having, which is a gerund. This way, because is used to connect two complete sentences and because of is used with a noun or pronoun or a gerund. Instead of versus in spite of. Both are prepositions. Instead of means in the place of. In spite of means despite or although. Both these prepositions are used with a noun or pronoun or a gerund. Let us see some examples. Instead of wasting your time, do something useful. In this sentence, we have used a gerund wasting with instead of. Waste is a verb. When you add ing with waste, it will become wasting, which is a gerund. Next example, I will learn French instead of Spanish. In this sentence, Spanish is a noun. I will learn French in the place of Spanish is the meaning of this sentence. We went to the movie in spite of the rain. Rain is a noun. We have used noun rain with in spite of. Next example. In spite of having financial crisis, she helps others. In this sentence, we have used gerund having with in spite of. Have is a verb. When you add ing with it, it will become having, which is a gerund. So in this way, Instead of and in spite of, both these prepositions are used with a noun or pronoun or gerund.